The MacBook Neo just launched, but the price at which it launched, it literally shouldn't exist at that price. With that price, it looks like Apple is trying to wipe out an entire category of laptops in one move. The question is, what did Apple change to make the impossible possible? Is this the deal of the century, or the most expensive, cheap MacBook you'll ever buy? This brand new, beautifully designed MacBook is just $499 if you're a student and just $599 for everyone else. Before you go ahead, let me give you a spoiler alert. This laptop, the MacBook Neo, is about to disrupt the entire budget laptop market. Let's take a look at what's actually happening here. When a company drops the price of a premium product to nearly half, you have to look closely at the engine to see what has been stripped out. So here's the reality check. The MacBook Neo does not have the M-series chip. There is no M3, there's no M4, and definitely no M5. Instead, Apple did something wildly clever. They took the A18 Pro chip, the same highly efficient 3nm silicon that powered the iPhone 16 Pro, and dropped it straight into the chassis of this MacBook Neo. That means the Neo has a 6-core CPU, a 5-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. So what does that mean for you? This means the MacBook Neo is custom-built for Apple Intelligence and everyday tasks. Here's an amazing claim from Apple. It says that the MacBook Neo is 50% faster than the best-selling PC with an Intel Core Ultra 5. That's saying something. But we now need to address the elephant in the room. The base model of MacBook Neo comes with 8GB of unified memory and 256GB of SSD storage. And this RAM is completely blocked. You don't have any upgrade options. And you might think that it's 2026 and 8GB is going to be a bottleneck. But because of the way macOS Tahoe handles memory with this specific A18 Pro memory chip, it is perfectly optimized for the exact kind of task this laptop is meant to do. That's the magic of this MacBook Neo. Now let's get into the design. We like to call it premium on a budget. If you're talking about a $599 laptop, it usually translates into a flimsy plastic shell that flexes when you rest your palms on it, a build that is creaky with a cheap feel. But none of this happens here. Apple has managed to keep its legendary build feel absolutely intact. It is extremely light, just 2.7 pounds. It's only half an inch thick. It'll be super easy to carry in a backpack. But there's something more interesting also happening here. They're injecting some serious personality into the Neo. You can pick from 4 colors: silver, blush, indigo, and this brand new citrus yellow. The Magic Keyboard actually has a subtle tint to match the color of the chassis. The aluminum chassis has a premium feel, just like any other MacBook. Of course, you're getting a stunning 13-inch liquid retina display with a resolution of 2408 by 1506 pixels. Brightness is at 500 nits, which is pretty good. It has a very good anti-reflective coating, and one awesome thing is there is no camera notch. It's a clean, uninterrupted rectangular display. And you also get a 1080 pixels FaceTime HD camera, which rests neatly in the bezel above the display. Let's get down to the next important thing. What did Apple cut? It's time for the MacBook Neo's ugly side. Apple didn't magically invent a $599 laptop without making some calculated compromises. So before you hit that pre-order button, learn everything about what's missing. First off, no MagSafe. The Neo has 2 USB ports and it relies on them entirely for charging and connectivity. And here is a critical detail. One of these is USB 3 and the other one is USB 2. It will also support only one external 4K monitor. The Magic Keyboard is absolutely fantastic, as good as any other MacBook, but there is no backlighting. So if you do a lot of typing in darkness, then this might be a problem, not having a backlit Magic Keyboard. And one other important thing, the Touch ID is missing in the $599 variant, but you get it in the $699 variants. And with it, you also get 512GB of SSD storage. Finally, we come to the audio. You get dual side-firing speakers on both sides, but no quad speaker array that is found in the Airs and the Pros. They support spatial audio and Dolby Atmos and sound very good, but they won't blow your mind with the sound. But despite these cuts, the daily driving experience of the MacBook Neo is absolutely solid. Since the A18 Pro chip is essentially a smartphone processor which is optimized for the iPhone, the efficiency is off the charts. Apple has packed a 36.5 watt-hour battery into the Neo, which by the way is fanless and completely silent even at peak performance. And this battery will deliver 16 hours of video streaming on one charge, which is very good. It ships with a 20-watt USB-C charger, which is perfectly adequate for this chip. You also get Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 6, which means your wireless communications are fast and future-proof. And since you get macOS Tahoe, you get instant access to features like iPhone mirroring right out of the box, which means you can control your iPhone with the Neo directly from its screen without even taking your iPhone out of your pocket. So who is the MacBook Neo actually for? Let's cut through all the marketing noise and get straight to who should buy the MacBook Neo. If you're a creator who runs heavy timelines in Final Cut Pro, produces massive multi-track projects on Logic Pro, or does hardcore 3D rendering, the Neo is not for you. However, if you're a school or college student, a small business owner, or someone whose workflow lives entirely inside cloud apps like Safari, Excel, Canva, WhatsApp, then this laptop is the holy grail for you. Essentially, it's the ultimate Chromebook killer. With the MacBook Neo, Apple is directly targeting the vast market of low-cost Windows laptops and offering a gateway into the premium Mac ecosystem for half the usual price, $499 only for students. So if you have an old MacBook with you or you're planning to buy a new laptop in the $500 to $800 range, drop everything and go for the Neo. Here's our final verdict. Is the MacBook Neo just hype or is it actually worthwhile? The verdict is very clear. This is a monumental win for the consumer, for you. At $599, Apple has redefined what a budget laptop should feel like. You're getting an aluminum chassis, Retina display, all-day battery, the legendary Apple trackpad, the amazing Magic Keyboard, and by the way, the chassis is made from 90% recycled aluminum. Insanely good looks, all for less than the price of an iPhone, just $599 and $499 for students. Pre-orders are live now, and the Neo can be yours very soon. If this awesome new laptop from Apple fits your workflow, don't hesitate because it's going to fly off the shelves. If you found this video to be useful, do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos just like this one.